Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we're actually going to be reviewing a hair tool. So I recently purchased this Bedhead Wave Artist Waver, and I've used it a few times now. I actually really like it. It's like I have really thick hair, so usually products like this I stray away from because it takes so long, or it just doesn't ever come out like you want it to. But I actually really like this one. So this has like a really deep waver. Like the barrel is so deep, and it is ceramic. It does have like a lock function right here. Close that, it stays closed. I think that works pretty good. On the side is the on-off button, and the only thing I don't like about it is how the temperature is. It's just on this little dial right here. So, and it just says low to high, and I kind of put it in the middle. I think it says it gets as hot as like 400 degrees, but I just kind of don't like that it doesn't tell you the temperature that you're at, or what low temperature is, what high is. You kind of just have to guess. So I try not to fry my hair out, so I try it mainly on like the middle section, and if I see that it's not working as good, I'll put it up a little bit more. So yeah, we're gonna try this out. I've already done half of my hair, so because I just kind of wanted to speed this video up a little bit and show you guys how it looks at the finished look, and I will be doing the top half of my hair that I haven't done yet. But I actually wanted to just give you guys a little information about the product and where you can buy it. I got mine at Target, and it was only $24.99. So I have it looked up right here, and I will put the link in the description where you guys can find it if you're interested in buying it. So let's just see what it says on how to use and all the specs about it. So let's see. Turn your hairstyle into a work of art with the Bedhead Wave Artist Ceramic Deep Waver. Its deep barrel design quickly and easily waves the hair with ceramic technology. How to get the look. Starting at the roots, lightly clamp a small section of hair between the barrels and hold for a few seconds. For continuous waves, match the outermost wave and work it down your hair. How to use. When using the waver for the first time, select the lowest heat setting and test in one small section of hair to 5 to 8 seconds. Yada yada yada. So it says it goes up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Number of heat settings 30, which again, it's just a dial, so I mean, it doesn't tell you like what setting you're at. Heating time 30 seconds, which I'd have to say is pretty legit. It heats up really quick. Corded, electric, spot wipe or clean. 3-year limited warranty. So yeah, only $24.99 for it. I've used it probably like a handful of times now, and I really like it. I have really thick hair, and it actually does my hair really quick. Like, I'm not one to follow directions when it says to use small pieces of hair. I like to kind of just go for it. But I do beforehand. I've already sprayed all my hair, but we will take my hair down to get the rest of the top layer of my hair done. It's a little crazy, but that's okay. I did use this Hask coconut oil detangle and nourishing 5-in-1 leave-in spray for like, it does have provides thermal protection. I did spray all of my hair with that first, and then, which I'm actually going to do right now, I did on the lower half of my hair. I used this Aquage Beyond Shine. And this is a like shine spray, and it improves ceramic iron performance. I really love how it smells. It does make my hair really shiny whenever I flat iron it, or use this too. I think you can use it with any heating tool. But I already did use my thermal spray, so I'm just gonna go ahead and with this and spray this kind of all over. But yeah, I actually really love this waver because it kind of gives you that look like almost as if you braided your hair before bed and slept in it like when it was wet and you took it out. So we're just gonna go right in. I already like combed out all my hair and everything, so I'm not super worried about that, but we're just gonna go right in with it. It is such a deep waver that I'm not like 100% used to it yet, so like it does take like a little getting used to like how to use it first to like get quick with it, but I really like it. I think it works really good. It says about 5 to 8 seconds. And see, you can see that wave there. Let me get it better in the lighting for you guys. Sorry about my squeaky chair. I promise that we're gonna get that fixed soon. But yeah, look at that. I mean, you see the steam coming off of it. I do only have it, let's see, about halfway up. But yeah, I mean, it works pretty good. So let's go do the other side. And now, I'm sure it would take you a lot longer if you sectioned your hair out, like, you know, a little better than I did. I kind of just do half and half, and I have thick hair and it still works like that. So, I mean, honestly, it's all about preference. I'm sure you could do smaller waves, but I like the big, you know, more tousled beach wave look. But I have to say, it's one of my favorite wavers I've ever used. I've used a few different ones, or like the crimping ones. I really don't like the crimping style too much, but I like this. And especially after you get it all done, I'll show you guys. I kind of spray it with hairspray and then like brush it all out. And it really just gives so much body to the hair and makes it look really, you know, like bam. And I think it's really great for thin hair too. For example, my grandmother has really thin, like shoulder length, like maybe up to here, hair, and it's super, super thin. And I did her hair for her on Thanksgiving, and I used this because she used to like the old style crimpers, you know, and that had that like little tiny crimping waves. So I wanted to show her this to see how she would like it, and I had it on the lowest setting because her hair was so thin. I didn't want to, you know, break it off or anything, and it made her hair look thicker. Like, she looked like she had so much more hair than she did, and she loved it. It just really made her hair have a lot more body, a lot more shine, and it just looked like she had so much more hair. And see, like, I don't, you know, I have really thick hair, so that's not like what I'm trying to achieve right now. I just like the whole look altogether. It's like fun. It's good to go out with. It's good for anything really, like, and it really is pretty quick. So I'm already almost done this side, and we're only 7 minutes in right now, so that's pretty good. I'm all about trying to do quick because, like, I have so much hair, so for me to, like, go through and section it and curl it, like, with a regular curling iron and then, like, brush it out to try to get waves, it takes me a really long time. So when I saw this and I saw a few reviews on it, of a friend of mine using it, I was like, I gotta try this. And for only 25 bucks, I'm pretty glad that I did because I really like it. So I'm just gonna go through and finish this other side. And like, I haven't noticed any like severe heat damage from it or anything. Honestly, I think it's probably a little less invasive than a straightener. And again, like, I have so much hair, straightening takes forever, and I kind of just don't really like my hair straightened. I'd rather have it curled or bouncy or more volume, but that's why I love this. So I already did the bottom, but I am just going to kind of go through and do little pieces here or there, just seeing like where I need to have the curl, or the wave, excuse me. And yeah, if you guys like have any other hair products that maybe I haven't heard of or that you'd like to see checked out, like, I'd love to give them a try. So just let me know down in the comments, and maybe there's something else I can check out that I'm gonna fall in love with. But so far I really love this thing. And like, we're already almost done. So just gonna go through and see. I do have a piece back here, so I'm still working on like how to get used to do the back part, but I only had one little piece of hair, so it shouldn't be too bad. It's just such a deep barrel that it's just different from, you know, what we're used to using for wavers. And it gives so much better results than a crimper. Like, my grandmother swears by her crimper. She still has like those old school ones from like the 80s. So trying to teach her the, you know, new school way of doing it. And like, it just looks so good. I love this thing. And again, we're 9 minutes in, so the lower part that I did earlier, that probably took me about the same amount of time because I just kind of split my hair in two. I'm just feeling for the back again. I got one more strand back here that I want to get. But yeah, I mean, 10 minutes, 20 altogether, I would say, maybe even a little less because like I was kind of breaking in between, and I'd wanted to, you know, kind of get a shorter video out for you guys today. My first video was a little long, but you know, I was just trying to get myself out there. I will be uploading more makeup tutorials soon. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do yet. I think I might do like a full glam, like a full natural glam, and then maybe like a fun, crazy look with a crazy palette or something. If there's any specific makeup, you know, videos you guys would like to see, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, please. Okay, so I have this one little piece that's being a little difficult. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of comb it, like lightly comb it out a little bit, and then spray it with some hairspray. So I'm going to lock it, set it down. I mean, it does heat up what you put it down on, but the edges right here are a little raised. So you can set it down. I'm not sure, like, you know, what would not be good to set it down on, so I would be careful with it because it is super hot. So I'm just going to kind of tousle some of this around. I'm not fully combing it out. Okay. Gonna give it some hairspray, and I'm just using a Tresemme number 4 hairspray. Just kind of what I have on hand right now. Sorry, I'm a heavy sprayer with everything. But yeah, so that is it, guys. It looks super cute. It's fun. One night recently when I went out with some girls, I had taken some of it and kind of pinned up a side. So when you do it like that, you know, it kind of looks a little more fun and playful. You could do a really big earring right here and it would look awesome. Or you could just wear it like this. Like, I think it's so much fun. Really cute look. And here, I'm going to spin around. My chair's squeaky, but I'm going to spin around so you guys can see the back. If I miss anything, don't come for me. But yeah, it looks really good. And like I said, it took me probably 15-20 minutes total altogether to get it done, but that's it. But yeah, so final thoughts on the Wave Artist. I absolutely love it. It's a fun little tool. I mean, when you don't have a lot of time and you want to try to give your hair some body, some lift, some wave, like especially if it were summertime, to really like have these waves in the summer would be super great. Like, you know, at the beach with a pair of sunglasses on, you would probably look really cute. Or any time whatsoever. Like I said, I do this some days when I'm just trying to give my hair some life. So yeah, but that's it. I love this. $24.99 at Target or Walmart. I'm sure you could probably get it anywhere, but I will leave a link down in the description. And thanks for watching, guys. That's it for today's video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.